are almost to Mississippi.
Welcome to Mississippi. In 2 miles, take exit 2 toward Waveland.
And there's the sign. Welcome to Mississippi. As usual, when we come this way, we're going to pull into the Mississippi Welcome Center. It has RV spots and a free dump and water. But we are just going to make a stop and take a little break. We've been on the road for a while today, a couple hours. We're due for a break, and the dogs are due for a break. All right, Bella. Bella says, I remember this place. Huh, I remember this place. I started my generator up. I need a fresh cup of coffee. How's that? Bit of a drive today. There's Jeff pulling in over there. Oh, she's just up there. Yep, it is break time. Well, that was quick. You know, sometimes you just get.
Yeah, that's kind of light.
Yep, that's the easiest. Let me stop the video here for just a second. What I didn't record next was our good friend Craig in Mississippi always invites, us to hang out if we want the driveway dock or stop for, buy lunch when we're passing through the area. That's what we did in the fall. We got the Mexican food, and then we got some Chinese this time, and the Chinese buffet. So anyway, it's always good seeing Craig. Thanks again for inviting us. He bought dinner for all of us. It was great seeing him. It was sometimes you just get busy visiting, and that's I forget about the camera and stuff, and left it in the RV. Hung out a little bit, chatted, said goodbye, see you next time, thanks for dinner and all that. And it's always good seeing you. It always is. And anyways, so it was great seeing Craig again, as always. We will see you next time we're through the town again. Alright, so I think we're just gonna hang at a local Walmart tonight and continue on to Florida in the morning. We're getting close now. Bella, was it good seeing Craig? Was it good seeing Mr. Craig?
Take the next left onto Mississippi 43 South.
Going across another bay. That's St. Louis Bay. Leaving Gulfport. Yeah, I think we just left Gulfport, Mississippi, and heading over in the direction of Biloxi, Mississippi. That is. They go up through a couple of towns. There's a Walmart up here somewhere. It's going to be another Walmart fight. The window's down. It's still warm. The cold air hasn't caught us yet. It will be here soon. Hey, Bella. Is it good seeing Craig? Well, as soon as she hears his voice. Not anybody. She knows a lot of people. When she hears different voices, she knows. He says, oh yeah, I remember you. So she was happy to see Craig. As we come around the bend, is the Gulf of Mexico again. Mississippi has some great beaches. Some of you that have been with the channel for a while know this has gotten to be a regular route with us. We come through Mississippi, we always kind of come down here on Highway 90 or Route 90. Seeing Craig, and then we just stay on it for a while. It runs parallel south of Interstate 10. We could have jumped back up on Interstate 10, but it's nice just to go and take a break from the highway speeds, come down here along the Gulf, scenic. And Mississippi beaches are beautiful. No free camping though. I don't know if you're still allowed, but these pull-offs, you used to be able to, maybe you still can, You used to be able to pull off and stay the night, but then you have a little bit of traffic during the night whizzing by kind of close, and that bothers you. But yeah, I don't care for that. But, yeah, so I've never stayed like that. But, I guess you can. Beautiful. I love these little harbors that have all the shrimp boats. Excuse me, Bella. We're trying to look at get a little glimpse at the shrimp boats and then the little seafood shops. There's a butcher shop and seafood market. Wow, a bunch more out there. Ooh. Good morning, Mississippi. I can definitely tell it's a little cooler this morning than it was yesterday morning, and that's going to continue. Gonna see if we can get rolling here. We want to get a big day in. We could easily reach Pensacola. Tallahassee be a little bit more ambitious, but that's getting through the Panhandle. It's doable, but we'd still be okay tonight. Get down in the 30s, but I think it's tomorrow night. Yeah, keep in mind these videos are delayed by a day or two, and yeah, we gotta get rolling. It's gonna if we're still in the Panhandle tonight, we're okay, but I don't think we want to be in the Panhandle tomorrow night. See what's going on here. Well, they did change it, at least in some areas. I did see a couple of signs that said no overnight parking. Maybe some areas it's allowed and some it's not. You know, some of these pull-offs. I think those are new signs to me. I don't see any at this one. So, you know, I don't know. Certainly no dogs. Yeah, that we do know. So we are not going to be stopping. Again, I boycott beaches. If you don't allow my dog, then I'm not interested in your dang beach. That's just me. That's just me. And Bella appreciates that. Get down, girl. Hey, get. What are you doing way up there? Get down. What do you think you're doing up there? Sit. Come on, sit. That's better. Oh, that's a half. That's better. All right. Jeez. She gets so excited when we get going. And a big day use parking lot. I think that's that same Class A that was back at the Walmart. Just left about 15 minutes ago. Yep. So that's it. We will be leaving Mississippi now, and we'll be into the Florida Panhandle after a while. A little ways to go. We'll go through Mobile, Alabama. Yeah, we'll just go through a small section of Alabama, and then bang, we'll be in the Florida Panhandle. I will say they like their Waffle Houses around here. Seems like there's a Waffle House about every mile along the shore here. I'm kind of hungry for a Waffle House. I haven't been to one in a long time. We're now in Gulfport, Mississippi, continuing up along the coast. We'll be Gulfport, and then I don't know if there's anything else until I think the next time might be Biloxi. There might be something in between. The Gulfport has, obviously there's a major port, yeah, over there, cranes, big silos out there, grain bins, loading and unloading. A couple casinos up here. I think my first year traveling, I came through here in December. Oh, yeah, it was right after Thanksgiving. I spent Thanksgiving in Georgia at my sister's house. And this whole park up here is all kind of Christmas lights. I remember, yeah, it was definitely December. I remember it just being so beautiful at night. There's a lighthouse out there, a big bay. See the masts of all the shrimp boats out there. That sure is a beautiful beach. Shame about the rules. We're just pulling out. because we pulled in one of these spots. We just wanted to verify. We thought maybe the dog rule was, you know, back in past Christian, in that other town. We thought maybe up here in Gulfport, maybe the rules are different. In this town, but no, there are no dogs. Rule number 1, no dogs. Another one. You want to know what's up in there? All right, looking away from the beach, inland, there are not only homes and businesses, you know, some that have survived past hurricanes, and there are some that were, you know, repaired or built new. But you know what else is also found up in there? Are empty parking lots, empty concrete slabs. I noticed some like right there. There's quite a few littered along the coast of where there once was a business or some structure that was wiped away by past hurricanes. They say some have been rebuilt or repaired, but some are just total loss and they never bothered. That's what's up in those areas across the road here. You know what else is up there? Another Waffle House. Yep, no shortage of Waffle Houses along the Mississippi coast here. I forget what they call that mansion back in there, but it's there's a name for it. But it's the Jefferson Davis homestead. We should have got a little better look at that, but we're not stopping today. Wait a minute. What's this up here? What is that? What? Another Waffle House? Obviously I'm getting a kick out of that, right? Maybe I'm having too much fun with that. We're totally up the road, maybe a half a mile, I think. Really? King Jacks. Okay, I am not kidding. We have come up through one traffic light. Okay, one traffic light. And another Waffle House. And they like their waffles. Jesus, man. I've never seen such a concentration of them. Crazy. I look at the big shark on the front of this building. A place called Shark Heads. Souvenirs and shirts and swimwear. And Sharper's Seafood House. I've come through this stretch of highway quite a few times now. I can legitimately say I've been through it quite a few times, and I've never noticed this lighthouse at this intersection. How do you not notice? How do you not notice that? Right there along the road.
In 800 feet, use the right lane to take the I-110 North Mississippi 15 ramp to I-10.
All right, this is the last town of Biloxi, Mississippi, before we get away from the Gulf Coast for a while. This is probably gonna be about the last. We'll go across one big bridge up here, and it's probably gonna be the last of the water, the Gulf we see anyway. So enjoy the beach and the view now. It's all coming to an end shortly. There's just something about the little bays or harbors that, you know, with the shrimp boats in it. There's just something really, I really like about that. Something scenic about the shrimp boats and their, you know, those masts that hold the nets. Those outriggers, I guess. Yeah, that's what they are. They're outriggers, not masts. I've been misspeaking about that. So we're at the edge already. There's a Golden Nugget motel or hotel, and something there. They have their own amusement park here, or the neighboring place. Oh, it's called Margaritaville. They have their own. They have their own dang amusement park. And that's it. There's the bridge ahead of us. And okay. And away we go. My first year out, I think I recorded a sunrise. There we was parked underneath in a parking lot at the beginning of the bridge, and I recorded I think I time-lapsed the sunrise. Maybe I just took a couple of pictures from this view. My very first year traveling.